Imagine a scenario where the things we take for granted as always being there in our modern life are no longer readily available. What would you rely on? We are going to cover a lot of often overlooked items that could become priceless assets after an SHTF event. Think of this as a crash course in practical preparedness, because in uncertain times, being ready for anything can make all the difference. Whether you're a seasoned prepper or you're just getting started, this video is a great list of items you may not have thought about, but you will definitely want to have in an SHTF situation. Ziploc bags. These are versatile for storing essentials and keeping items dry. Aluminum foil. Beyond cooking, it's a versatile tool for survival, from making solar ovens to blocking out light. Of course, water purification tools. Ensure access to clean drinking water. Books. Build your survival library now. Knowledge will be a rare commodity. Entertainment. Mental well-being is vital. Games and puzzles can provide much-needed distraction. Navigation tools. Old-fashioned maps and compasses become invaluable without GPS. Seed packets. Plan for long-term sustainability by growing your own food. Cleaning supplies. A clean environment is key to staying healthy. A first aid kit. Basic medical supplies are a must-have for emergencies. Solar chargers. Keep communication devices powered with renewable energy. Precious metals. Gold and silver can serve as currency in a barter system. A hunting rifle. Rifles and ammunition can provide a vital food source. Fire-making supplies. Matches, lighters, and fire starters are essential for warmth and cooking. Personal hygiene supplies. Maintain that cleanliness to prevent disease. Non-perishable food. Of course, stock up on canned goods and dry foods for sustenance. Diapers and baby supplies. Crucial for infant care in challenging circumstances or for bartering. Sewing supplies. Repair clothing to prolong its usability. Bicycles. In a fuel-scarce world, non-motorized transportation, like bicycles, becomes indispensable. Condoms, because life doesn't stop after a disaster, so plan accordingly. Camping gear. Tents, tarps, and sleeping bags provide crucial protection. Flashlights and batteries. Essential for illumination when the power grid fails. Over-the-counter meds. Basic medications can alleviate common ailments. Bug spray. These are essential for health in high bug activity areas. Cooking and eating utensils. Portable stoves and cookware are essential for food preparation. Gardening tools. Prepare for self-sustainability by cultivating your own food. A radio. Stay informed with a battery-powered emergency radio. Footwear. Keep sturdy boots for walking through challenging terrain. Tools. Basic tools are essential for making repairs and improvements. Alcohol, because when desperation hits, even the cheapest alcohol becomes a commodity. Fishing gear, a sustainable food source when other options are scarce. Sanitation supplies. Keep your living area clean to avoid illness. Clothing. Your first defense against the elements. Prioritize the sturdy footwear and ample socks. A hand crank or solar-powered radio. Stay informed even when the power grid is down. A multi-tool or Swiss Army knife. A versatile tool for various tasks and repairs. Duct tape. Handy for temporary fixes, repairs, and improvisations. Multi-purpose utility rope or paracord, useful for constructing shelters, securing items, and much more. Water storage containers. Ensure you have enough clean water for drinking, cooking, and sanitation. Portable toilet and supplies for makeshift toilet sanitation. Maintain hygiene and privacy, especially in extended emergencies. A firearm and ammunition for hunting, self-defense, and deterrence against threats. Hand sanitizer. Convenient for hand hygiene when soap and water are scarce. Solar-powered or hand-cranked flashlight. Reliable lighting without the need for batteries. N95 respirator masks. Protect against airborne contaminants and pollutants. A whistle. Signal for help or communicate over short distances. A signal mirror. A lightweight and reflective tool for signaling rescuers. A portable water filtration system. Ensure access to safe drinking water from natural sources. Gasoline siphon pump. Extract fuel from vehicles or storage tanks for emergency use. Emergency cash. Have a stash of small bills for purchasing goods or services if electronic transactions are unavailable. Remember that preparation is the key to resilience in the face of uncertainty. Each item on this list serves as a lifeline in challenging times, offering practical solutions and peace of mind when resources are scarce. Whether you're a seasoned prepper or you're just beginning your journey, take the time to assess your readiness and stockpile these essential supplies. Your future self will thank you. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments. As always, I want to hear from you. And check out this video YouTube has chosen for you to watch based on your viewing history.